Hi, and happy St. Patrick's Day from Llana Tolbert at Lianro Melrose, also known as Roof Lady. And we've been celebrating Green Month because of St. Patrick's Day. And so we have a special episode today. And before I get started, I wanted to talk about being green in general. So St. Patrick is a real person. I didn't know this. And he's celebrated around the world as bringing Christianity to Ireland. And to demonstrate the Holy Trinity, Father, Jesus, and Holy Spirit, he used the shamrock. And so how cool is that, that the shamrock also has the shape of a heart? So it's three hearts, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And it's green. So that's where the green came in. That's where the shamrock came in, and that's who St. Patrick is. And so it's a day to be celebrated for bringing revival to the land of Ireland. And so how does that translate into roofing? Well, the stone-coated steel products are green roofs. They can literally be green in color, but they're also kind of like the shamrock, three pretty cool aspects of each part. First off, the first leaf is they're energy efficient. We talked about the airspace that's created by the tubes and that you can add extra insulation with the radiant barrier. We're creating that airspace, and the roof itself is reflective, so it's energy efficient. It's also environmentally friendly. We talked last week about how your roof could be your neighbor's old car or old refrigerator. And so being steel, it's completely recyclable. And when we install roofs, or if we have to do any kind of repairs, all of that goes to the recycle place. It's also economical. It's an economical investment in that you invest in it typically one time. And so you save the maintenance costs down the road, you save the re-roofing costs down the road, and you save the continual insurance deductibles. So just like the shamrock, there's three great hearts to a stone-coated steel roof. And it is also green. You can get a green roof. So have a happy, blessed St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you on the next time. Metal up with a Lianro roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.